I came to this fellowship, I had this notion that 90% of India is apathetic, but that's not true.
The effort that people are actually putting in, and that too for just selflessly, that is the best part of being here. I really never experienced that before.
When I applied to this, I really like the idea. I still feel the model is very strong.
Out of 10 people, there are at least 5 people who care. And the beauty of this model, of Hayya's model, is it finds a way to get all 5 of them involved.
Is the inspiring thing that people are ready to vote, people are ready to bring in a change, people are ready to make themselves accountable, just that they don't know the pathways to go there. So probably that's the most inspiring thing of it.
The biggest benefit that I got from this entire process was I got to meet my own community members. I got to spend time with them, you know, by these events, by people coming together, registering in there for the voter ID cards. So it was also a deeply fulfilling event where we were able to really fulfill people's needs.
And it's great to see people, you know, trying to talk to each other and, you know, helping each other out. And that's, I think, what the whole main purpose of Hayya is. Actually, you know, you're meeting new people, you're learning more things about them. You see how differently things can be tackled, you know. Like, I had one approach of solving a problem. Now I have learned how to solve in different approaches, right?
I have developed my leadership skills the way, you know, I expected to. And I actually have started training my friends who are a part of my Hayya team.
It's like a whole new different concept. And it was really great working with so many people and meeting so many people. It's helped me become a much more outgoing person.
I interacted with professionals, I interacted with old uncles and aunties, and they had a very different perspective, and it was really interesting to know that perspective on a social platform.
The best part about Hayya is like what I think is about they are into creating leaders who can manage their own locality. Because I am a very strong believer of that in our country we have many followers, but we lack in leaders, and this is one thing, you know, that has been the change in me as well.
The enthusiasm, the fun, it was really amazing working with Hayya.
It's been an effortless journey, been full of grace and very smoothly, and we conducted a few drives in Thane where we come from, and it's been so enjoyable.
Yeah, it's actually been pretty awesome. But you know, we had this 3 months where we started in Chembur along with my friend Aziz in Chembur, and it was nice, short and sweet.
And I've been so involved with Hayya that all my friends they start calling me the Hayya girl.
जोर लगा के Hayya.
जोर लगा के Hayya.
जोर लगा के Hayya.